For the perfect Indian wear, Indo-Western or a Western look, Bani Banarsis are the perfect fabric. You can create any kind of outfit you have in mind with these Bani Banarsis. Now these famous Gujarati fabrics are all over the nation. Everybody loves a Bani Banarsi, and the one that I'm presenting in front of you is a bright green Gadchola Bani Banarsi. Now why this is so famous is because of the tie-dye knot that you see across it, which gives you a very beautiful story about this fabric, and all of these fabrics are in the most premium quality. The one that I'm showing you here is also a Banarsi blend. As you can see the checks pattern, all of this has been zari weaved in gold zari weaving. Now this is ideal to create any kind of dupattas, or if you want to create an Indo-Western look, you can create that with our Bani Banarsi collection. For creating any kind of Indo-Western looks, cord sets or even a nice sharara set, a Bani Banarsi fabric would give you a very unique and an exclusive touch. Here what I'm showing you is a violet shade of Bani Banarsi, and all these Bani knots have been done in a contrast of a hot pink color. You can also see that all over this there is a very nice silver zari Banarsi weaving done with nice butta work too. Now this fabric is not the only one that we've got. We have multiple more shades in this collection with these kind of designs. The one that I'm showing you is a violet shade. We have multiple more bright colors in this, so you can customize it for any outfit that you have in mind. Here what you see is a Bani Banarsi in a dusty pink shade. If you're someone who's going for a more muted look and something more subtle, this Bani Banarsi would be perfect because the Bani knots along with the Banarsi weaving, all of it has been done in a very intricate and fine detailing. As you see, there is floral booty work done in a light gold zari weave and a contrast pink color Bani knot done across this fabric. This is ideal to create any unique blouses to match with your saris, or if you want to customize a gorgeous lehenga. If you want to create a sari or a unique veil for your wedding, you can create it with this Bani fabric. If you're someone who wants to go with a traditional Gujarati and authentic look, a Bani Banarsi cannot go wrong. Here what I'm showing you is a bright red shade, perfect for any bride-to-bes or for any bridal functions, and we have got checks pattern with booties as well. So all of this is in light gold zari work, and on the contrast we have these yellow Bani knots done across this fabric, giving you that authentic Gujarati look to this fabric. Now you can customize traditional or western wear outfits with these Bani Banarsis. And in our final fabric here, you can see I've selected a parrot green shade of Bani Banarsi with a contrast of hot pink, and we have got silver floral booty work done on this fabric. We have multiple more colors in this design and multiple more designs in our Bandej Banarsi, which gives you that perfect authentic look. So if you're still looking for some nice Indo-Western outfits, you can customize it here at Fabric by Singhanias. If you loved our Bani Banarsi collection, you should subscribe to our channel and find out more of our collection. If you want to see more of these kind of fabrics, you can also follow us on our social media page.